A luxurious modern house features a winding driveway paved with light stones. Tall pillars illuminate the lush greenery, creating an elegant and tranquil natural sunset scene. A lush green garden with palm trees fronts a modern house. A dark wooden fence borders the sidewalk, as warm golden sunset light creates a serene atmosphere. Lush green ferns cascade down the vertical garden of a modern building. A paved walkway leads to a quiet stone courtyard bathed in soft afternoon sunlight. Nestled among vibrant green trees, a cozy, dark house emits warm light. A subtle stone pathway winds through purple flowering shrubs under a deep twilight sky. Soft, dappled sunlight bathes a charming, verdant courtyard. Lush foliage climbs rustic walls behind a small, ornate metal table and matching chairs, evoking tranquil European beauty. Rectangular stone pavers form a minimalist gravel walkway flanked by lush trees and contemporary black planters. Natural sunlight highlights the serene landscape near a glass building. A rustic wooden table and rattan chairs sit in a sunlit courtyard. Potted herbs and climbing vines surround the stone patio, creating a cozy, serene atmosphere. Dense green vines and foliage cascade down a lush vertical garden. Rectangular planters border the foreground, while a modern glass building reflects the warm golden light. Irregular stone pathways meander through a landscaped yard filled with tall, ornamental grasses and vibrant shrubs. The golden setting sun creates a serene and inviting atmosphere. A charming rustic cottage sits within a lush, overgrown garden. Mature trees cast dappled light over the stone pathway, trimmed bushes, and warmly lit cottage windows. A sunlit stone path winds through vibrant shrubs and ornamental grass toward a rustic wooden gazebo. Dappled, late afternoon sunlight creates a beautifully tranquil garden scene. A winding gravel path navigates a verdant landscape. Large arched trees cast shadows near a rustic wooden house, blending perfectly with white flowers and green foliage. Terracotta pots filled with lush ferns surround a quaint seating area. Rustic chairs and a wooden table sit peacefully in a sunlit courtyard bursting with greenery. Ivy cascades down textured stone walls in a sunlit courtyard. A rustic wooden table features vibrant yellow flowers, creating a tranquil sanctuary amidst abundant green nature. A light stone path winds through vibrant green shrubs. A striking red Japanese maple tree provides warm color against the dense canopy of this tranquil garden.